Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going for a brunch and I have done my makeup and everything, but I have not applied mascara or anything on my eyes. So I want to show you all how mascara can completely change your look. So let's get started. First I'm going to use this mascara. It's from Too Faced and it is called Better Than Sex. So let me show you all how it is going to change the whole look. I'm going to look very weird while applying mascara. मैं पहले ही बता देती हूँ. So I'm not going to edit it. She's going to put it. Oh my god! Please, my husband will only laugh on me. ऐसे करके यार नहीं जमता है. You know, you have to look like this. Anyway. This is the first coat. So that was the first coat from Too Faced, and now I'm going to use this Benefit, and it is called They Are Real Magnet. So let me just apply. It's a game changer. I tell you, it's a game changer, girls. Stop applying those kajal and liner and everything. Winged. ये लगाओ यार, कितना सुंदर दिखता है, कितना सुंदर. फिलहाल मैं बहुत ही पागल लग रही हूँ while applying it. That's the second coat. So that was my second coat, and lastly my third coat. I'm confused between this super fan from which Smashbox, yeah, super fan from Smashbox, and I have one MAC also. So I'm gonna apply both. मेरे को 10 दे दो, 10 मस्कारा मैं लगा दूंगी. I guess it has dried. I need music while applying makeup. Oh my baby candle. इतना डिस्टर्ब करता है ना मुझे, इतना डिस्टर्ब करता है ना. So that's my third coat, and I guess I'm pretty much done. And one pro tip, when you apply mascara on a lower lash line, try to use this strokes, this like sideways, okay? Not like this, just like this, so it will give you a very natural look. Like this. Yo baby, yo. So yes, this is how it looks like. It does make a huge difference, at least for me. And you don't need to wear lashes. I mean, not everyone is comfortable wearing lashes. And also let me show you how it looks like without ring light. In natural light, how it looks like. Ouch. Yes, it looks like this, and I like it, and I hope you girls like this video, and please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.